Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D250 MHEV X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Gondwana stone. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a satin dark grey finish, really complementing against the Gondwana stone exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find the full-size spare alloy wheel, and once we open up the boot space, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony Windsor leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Moving to your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst driving. You also have your 4x4 information, along with terrain response drive modes, making this vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You also have your 360 view camera with an off-road feature, ideal for those off-road days. The 360 view camera allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have both heated and ventilated front seats, ideal for those hot summer days as well as the colder winter ones. Pairing with this nicely, it also features a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D250 MHEV X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.